Welcome. This video I'll show you how to remove Brave as your default browser. Okay, so first up, what you would do is just close Brave. Okay, now go ahead and go to your start menu right here, right click on it and just click on settings. Okay, click on settings, and once done, in the left panel we have apps. Click on it. Now what you do next is just go ahead and go to default apps right here, click on it. Now, in order to remove Brave, okay, as your default browser, you will have to select another browser, okay, to be your default. All right, to do that, go ahead and find maybe Chrome or Edge. Let's say Chrome right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on Chrome. Now, in here, you have set default, okay? Make Google Chrome your default browser. So all you do is just go ahead and set this up, or set Google Chrome as your default browser. And once done, you're good to go. That is it. If you don't have any other browser, well, you could just go ahead and download it online. Okay, you could use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Vivaldi, Opera, okay, or Opera GX. It's up to you. But that's just basically it. That's how you remove Brave as your default browser. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.